So, if you're facing problems like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth not working, or if games are crashing, the reason behind this could be outdated Windows drivers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update all of your Windows drivers. Don't worry, it's very easy. The only thing you need to do is not skip the video and follow my steps. So, without wasting any more time, let's move on to the first step. The first step is to download a software called Driver Booster. I've also provided the link in the video description. After downloading, double-click the setup file and follow the installation steps. Once installed, double-click the app and click on Scan Now. After this, Driver Booster will scan for outdated drivers. Then, you'll see a button named Update. Click on it, and all the outdated drivers will begin downloading. The process will take some time depending on your network speed and how many drivers need to be updated. Once the update is complete, restart your computer, and you should see that all the problems are fixed. If not, feel free to comment on this video, and I will reply with a solution within 24 hours. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, as it motivates me to create more videos like this. Thanks for watching until the end.